Hi, this is Carolyn. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be opening up the spring Ipsy for April, and this is what it looks like in here. And this is the premium box, and we're just going to get started. First up here is English Laundry Eau de Perfume. And that's what the box looks like. And get into it. I got scissors here. Just give it a whiff and see what it smells like. Looks like we got a couple perfumes in here this month. Let's see. What's it say? Nothing. And I also didn't get a card in this box, so I'm going to wing it here and try to figure out things as I go. Oh, it's a pretty bottle. Look at the bottle. Can you see it? Let's see. It's by Christopher Wicks. And let's give it a spray. I don't know. It's nice. It's subtle. It's not real heavy. Not florally at all. I don't know how I would describe that smell. It's nice. I like it. Okay. And then next here we have Magnetic 3D Faux Mink Eyelashes. Look at that. They look pretty. This way. And it shows you on the back here how to apply them. If you don't know how, like me, I don't know how to do it. And they're 5-minute application, and you get 15 wears out of these. But you do need to buy the eyeliner. They didn't include the eyeliner with it. So there's that. And then next we have, I'm sorry I don't have prices for you people, guys. I'm sorry I don't have prices for you guys out there. They just didn't even put a card in here. And this is Sela Essential Balm Miracle Multi-Use Oil. 6 extracts: elderberry, evening primrose, juniper berry, rosemary, lavender, and blueberry. And this is a nourishing body balm made with potent Canadian botanical extracts. Enriched with exotic plant butters and oils, this concentrated ointment revitalizes and protects the skin from unforgiving elements. And this is what it looks like. And let's try a little. Let's see. And it does have a seal on it. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that's what it looks like. Kind of thick. Let's see. Ooh, it's like an oil. It is an oil. Very oily. You see that? And it smells medicine-y. I don't really like it. Yeah, it smells like medicine. I don't. And it doesn't really rub in. But if you like oils and such for your skin, then this would be perfect for you. But it does not rub in. It's staying oily on my skin. And it smells. So that's that. I'll probably give this to somebody that I know. Okay, next we have Skylar Clean Beauty Perfume. Another perfume. Vanilla Sky. Cappuccino, pure vanilla, and caramelized cedar. That's what that looks like. I don't know if this is... And we'll give this a whiff and see what this smells like. We got 3 perfumes in here this month. I think that's a bit much. And that's what it looks like. Is it? I don't know. And it's a roller ball. Very vanilla-y. Very vanilla-y. If you don't like vanilla, you probably won't like this, but I like it. I like vanilla smell though, but it's very vanilla-y. Very. Okay, next thing we have here is from Nars, and it is lipstick in the color, I can't pronounce it, Tolede, T-O-L-E-D-E. I don't know if this is focusing. I don't think it is. We'll take a look at it. Looks like a nude color. It's just a mini, and that's the color. Put it on here. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a very pretty color. I like it. It'd be good. It's kind of nudie. Very pretty. I like these kind when I'm just like running to the store or something. I like to put this color on. And next we have a big bottle of perfume, Candlelit Evening. Lace drapes over the table for two, and a single rose rests in a crystal vase. These moments are seen through infatuated eyes and candlelight, love struck by the night of love itself, centered in bliss. And that's this. It's a big bottle. That is a big bottle of perfume. Let me see. Sorry if this is loud. Trying not to. Ooh, it is a big bottle. And that's what it looks like. And the notes are rose bouquet, sweet bourbon, and honey. Let's give this a little sniff. Oh. Not my favorite scent, I gotta say. Smells kind of old-fashioned, maybe, I want to say. Maybe 1800s to me. That's just me, though. But I don't care for it. But it get a big bottle. If you do like that kind of scent, I love that. And we got here... Oh, we did get the eyeliner to go with the eyeshadow, or the eyelashes. We've got it right here. Magnetic eyeliner, easy application and long lasting. I'll open it up. Oh, that's good. I'm glad they gave us the eyeliner to go with it. And it just goes, just a regular brush. Yeah. So it looks like a regular eyeliner brush or a serum brush for your eyelid. So there's that, and I'm glad that came with the eyelashes. That really helps. And then lastly, we got the bag. I should have done this first, but I forgot. We got the Ipsy bag. It's pretty. It's pink, and this is the inside, what it looks like. And that's the outside, and it zips. It's got the Ipsy tag right there. I like it. I like this. I get a lot of use out of this bag. So that was everything in the Ipsy April premium box. I'm happy with it. There were a couple things I wasn't too keen on, but that's just my preference. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.